Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Scandi Boho interior design is a captivating fusion of Scandinavian simplicity and Bohemian eclecticism, resulting in spaces that are both stylish and inviting. This design style marries the clean lines, minimalism, and functionality of Scandinavian design with the relaxed, eclectic, and nature-inspired elements of boho decor. The result is a harmonious blend of cozy textures, earthy tones, and curated collections that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. At the heart of Scandi Boho interior design is a commitment to simplicity and functionality, characteristic of Scandinavian design principles. Clean lines, neutral color palettes, and uncluttered spaces serve as the foundation of the style, creating a sense of calm and tranquility. However, instead of the stark minimalism often associated with Scandinavian design, Scandi Boho incorporates elements of Bohemian decor to add warmth, personality, and visual interest. Natural materials play a central role in Scandi Boho interiors, echoing the emphasis on nature and sustainability found in both Scandinavian and Bohemian design. Wood, rattan, jute, and other organic textures add warmth and texture to the space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. These natural elements are often paired with soft textiles such as wool rugs, sheepskins, and textured throws to enhance the comfort and coziness of the space. Another hallmark of Scandi Boho interior design is the eclectic mix of patterns, colors, and textures that create visual interest and depth. Bohemian-inspired textiles such as kilim rugs, Moroccan-style poufs, and ikat cushions add a playful and eclectic touch to the space, while Scandinavian-inspired furniture and decor maintain a sense of simplicity and cohesion. The key is to balance contrasting elements to create a cohesive and harmonious look that feels effortlessly curated and inviting. Plants and greenery are essential elements of Scandi Boho interiors, adding life, color, and a sense of freshness to the space. Potted plants, hanging planters, and botanical prints bring nature indoors, creating a calming and rejuvenating environment. The juxtaposition of natural elements against clean lines and minimalist decor adds depth and visual interest to the space, enhancing its bohemian charm. In summary, Scandi Boho interior design offers a captivating blend of Scandinavian simplicity and Bohemian eclecticism, resulting in spaces that are both stylish and inviting. By combining clean lines, natural materials, eclectic textiles, and vibrant accents, Scandi Boho interiors create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere that reflects the unique personality and style of the homeowner. Whether you're drawn to the minimalist elegance of Scandinavian design or the free-spirited charm of boho decor, Scandi Boho interiors offer endless inspiration for creating a home that is both beautiful and inviting.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!